Okay, we have a Haas 5-axis machining center, model UMC-500SS, serial number 1177282. This machine was built in December of 2020. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a trunnion table.
That's 2,500 RPM.
2,500 RPM. Again, this is the SS spindle, so it goes up to 12,000 RPM. That's 5,000. It's Cat 40. You have a 30 ATC, automatic tool changer. 8,000 RPM, super quiet. 10,000 RPM. Okay, you can see the Renishaw, the machine does have whips. You can see the Renishaw eye. We're simulating a tool change. Your platen size is 15.7 inches. It's moving the x-axis. This machine has through spindle coolant also of the spindle, 300 psi. You have 24 inches of X travel, 16 in Y, 16 in Z, and then you do have the tilting of the 5th axis that we'll show you. Both rotating and tilting. That's your Y. That's Z. Again, all axes are quiet. It's original paint. Machine's super low hours. There's tilting of the trunnion. Swinging around. And also rotating. Machine also has programmable coolant. All right, Haas control. Thank you for watching our video.